little monkey. Please come down from the ceiling fan. No, Atticus, don't.
Shh. The strict principal is coming into the classroom now.
You little rascal! Come back here! We gotta catch him!
Woohoo!
Stop running! Follow him!
Woohoo! Radical! He's surfing!
Look out!
Awesome, you got this! Kawabunga!
Yeah! Woo! Dad, my backpack is shaking. Is my math homework dancing? You are always making silly jokes, Atticus. Just keep walking. Did you put a heavy toy in your bag, sweetie?
No, Mom, but it feels like a jumping kangaroo inside.
Maybe it is a hungry dinosaur looking for some breakfast.
There are no dinosaurs, Dad. Atticus is just acting silly.
Okay, I will ignore it. Let us go to class. It's opening. Wow. Huh. What is it? I will open my bag to get my English book. I have it.
Eek, 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 eek.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. A real baby monkey is in here.
Atticus, why did you bring a wild animal to school?
I did not bring him. He sneaked into my backpack. Look at him! He is throwing your books everywhere now!
E-E-K-E-K-K. Wow! That was epic. Hello, little monkey. Please come down from the ceiling fan. No, Atticus, don't.
Shh. The strict principal is coming into the classroom now.
Good morning, class. Please open your English books right now. I will write our new English lesson on the chalkboard. Everyone must be completely quiet and pay attention to me.
The monkey drops seamlessly onto the principal's shoulders. The principal freezes. The monkey swipes the cap, places it backward. Wow!
Uh-oh.
Woohoo!
You little rascal! Come back here! We gotta catch him!
Woohoo!
Stop running! Follow him!
Help, my glasses! Ha-ha, got him! What? Where are they? See ya, teach!
Woohoo! Radical! He's surfing!
Look out!
Awesome, you got this! Kawabunga!
Yeah! No, my samosas! Oops, didn't mean to do that.
Do not worry, Mr. Principal. I will catch the monkey.
For justice!
Oh no! Dad!
Ouch!
Oops. I think the monkey is smarter than me today.
We cannot solve problems by running and shouting loudly, everyone. We must be very quiet, patient, and gentle with him. Mom is right. Wild animals get scared when we shout. I have a fresh, sweet apple to show him kindness. And I will sing a very soft, funny lullaby. Oh, look, he's sleeping. Ow. Wow. Kindness and patience work much better than angry chasing.
You are right, children. Thank you for saving my hat.
Let us look at the shiny tag on his collar.
It says he escaped from the local city zoo.
We must take him back home, where he belongs, safely. I will drive the car very carefully to the zoo.
Everyone get inside quickly. The monkey is riding shotgun.
No, Dad. The monkey must sit safely in the back.
Welcome to the local zoo. We're so glad you're here. Wow, look, the animals. She looks so excited.
Oh my goodness! You found our naughty little baby monkey! Thank you for bringing him back to his safe home.
He is very funny, but he belongs here in nature.
We are very happy to help him find his way. Yes, very happy.
Hey! He just stole my favorite sunglasses from my face.
Today we learned a very important and beautiful lesson, kids.
Yes, wild animals belong in nature, not in our backpacks. And we learned that patience is better than angry shouting.
I learned to never step on a yellow banana peel.
Now, we have a very fun question for you today. During the funny cafeteria scene, what food did the monkey juggle? Was it apples, bananas, or hot golden samosas?
Write your correct answer in the comments below right now.
And do not forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.